In his 13 years as a judge, Carl Ashley has rotated through almost every docket in the Milwaukee County Circuit Court system. What stands out in particular, however, is his work in the Domestic Violence Court. Ashley has taught judges nationwide and is a frequent public speaker on domestic violence. He's also devoted years of service to Wisconsin Supreme Court committees and helped expand the number of criminal justice coordinating councils statewide.
If you know me even a little bit, you know I love my job on the bench. I think it's an extraordinary privilege to be on the bench, the opportunity to serve, and really, I think being on the trial bench in particular, you work with people day to day. And if you respect them and respect the issues they've had to deal with, even the worst circumstance, it is an opportunity to do something every day that's going to affect people's lives, short term and long term.